Tired of manually updating lead sheets and missing out on valuable sales opportunities? In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Wati with your lead sheets to automate your workflow, personalize your messaging, and close more deals. First, access your Wati account and navigate to the API docs section. This is where you'll find the necessary API key to connect with your lead sheet. Now, open your Google Sheet containing lead information. Ensure you have columns for essential data like name, phone number, and status. Next, in your Google Sheet, navigate to Extensions and select App Script. This will open the Google App Script Editor. In the App Script Editor, you'll need to write a script that connects to the Wati API using your API key. This script will automatically fetch lead data from your sheet and send personalized messages to the leads based on their status. Use the API to trigger messages directly from Wati. To automate the process, set up a time-driven trigger within the App Script Editor. This will schedule the script to run automatically at specified intervals, ensuring continuous lead updates. Finally, monitor your Wati dashboard to track sent messages and campaign performance. Analyze the analytics to optimize your messages and improve conversion rates. You are now automating your lead management.